I kept hearing the same claim over and over. Use the right Temu coupon code and you'll unlock better rewards. Honestly, I didn't believe it. I figured a coupon code was just a coupon code, so I decided to test that theory for myself. I opened Temu and started with a random code from an old video. The result? A few basic discounts. Nothing that made me think, wow, this is different. Then I switched to another random code. Almost the same experience. Different code. Same average offers. At that point, I was ready to call the whole thing a myth, but there was one code I hadn't tested yet. The one on the screen. So I gave it a shot. Within that shopping session, I noticed something different. Instead of the usual offers, I started seeing larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. I didn't want to base my opinion on one try, so I repeated the comparison. Same account, same products, only the coupon code changed, and once again, the code on the screen came out ahead. So here's what I learned. Does every Temu coupon code unlock better rewards? No. After comparing several of them, I realized many random or outdated codes barely changed my experience. But the code on the screen consistently gave me the strongest overall combination of coupons and reward opportunities. Now let's be fair, this doesn't mean everyone will receive identical promotions. Temu updates its offers regularly and every account can be different. But if someone asked me today, is using a coupon code actually worth it? I'd say yes. Just don't waste your time with random codes you find everywhere online. Start with one that's consistently delivered better results in real comparisons. For me, that's the code on the screen. My verdict: do coupon codes matter? Yes. Do all coupon codes perform the same? Definitely not. Would I use the code on the screen again? Absolutely, because it consistently gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, and more free gift opportunities than the random codes I tested. Try the code on the screen before you start shopping, then come back and tell me, did it unlock better coupon bundles and reward opportunities for you too?